So I got the old drywall lift assembled, and I put that into action. I was hoping to use it a little more today, but I just got called, I got rehired at the big box store, so I'm going to go take my drug test. Well, I got one sheet installed, so I was hoping to get the whole ceiling in today, but it'll still be there tomorrow. So that's where I'm at, putting Humpty back together again. If you like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.